In an age where missiles streak across the sky, nations need a way to protect themselves. Imagine a shield, powerful enough to stop these threats in their tracks. That's where missile defense systems come in, standing guard against attacks. They are crucial for protecting a country's people, cities, and military forces. These systems act as a deterrent, discouraging attacks in the first place. They represent a nation's commitment to safeguarding its sovereignty and security in a complex world. Missile defense is not just about technology, it's about saving lives and preventing destruction. It's about giving nations the confidence to face a dangerous world. As technology advances, so do the threats. Missiles become faster, stealthier, and more sophisticated. One name stands out in the world of missile defense: the Patriot. Developed by the United States, the Patriot is a highly advanced system designed to defeat a variety of threats. It's like a guardian, always watching the skies, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. Patriot stands for Phased Array Tracking Radar to intercept on target. That's a mouthful, but it highlights the system's key strength: its highly advanced radar. The Patriot is more than just a missile, it's a complete system. It includes powerful radars to detect threats, computers to calculate trajectories, and launchers that fire interceptor missiles with pinpoint accuracy. The Patriot is mobile and can be deployed quickly to different locations, making it a versatile tool for defending against a wide range of threats. This adaptability makes it a vital asset for military commanders in the field. Let's break down the Patriot system into its key components. First, we have the radar. It acts as the system's eyes and ears, constantly scanning the skies for potential threats. The radar can detect and track multiple targets simultaneously, even in challenging environments. Think of it as a highly sophisticated air traffic controller, but instead of guiding planes, it's focused on identifying and targeting enemy missiles. Next, we have the engagement control station, the brains of the operation. Information from the radar is fed into powerful computers. These computers calculate the trajectory of incoming missiles, identifying the threat, and determining the best course of action. The control station is like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating all the elements of the system to ensure a successful intercept. The Patriot's radar is its most critical component. It's not just one radar, but a sophisticated array of antennas that work together. These antennas send out electromagnetic waves that bounce off objects in the sky. By analyzing the reflected waves, the radar can determine the location, speed, and direction of anything in the air. This information is crucial for distinguishing between friendly aircraft and potential threats. The radar is designed to filter out clutter, like birds or weather formations, focusing on potential threats. Once a potential threat is detected, the radar tracks it closely, gathering data on its movements. This data is fed into the engagement control station, where the system determines if the object is hostile and needs to be engaged. The Patriot's radar is constantly evolving to keep pace with new threats, ensuring it remains an effective shield. Section 5. Intercepting danger. A high-speed ballet. Once the Patriot system identifies a threat, it launches a high-speed interceptor missile. This missile is not designed to destroy the incoming missile with brute force. Instead, it relies on precision. The interceptor is guided by the radar, receiving constant updates on the target's location. As it closes in on the target, the interceptor detonates a warhead that releases a shower of fragments. These fragments are designed to cripple the incoming missile, destroying its guidance system or detonating its warhead prematurely. The entire process from detection to interception happens in a matter of seconds. The Patriot's ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously makes it a formidable defense system. Its high rate of success in real-world scenarios is a testament to its effectiveness. Section 6. Battle-tested, the Patriot in action. The Patriot missile system has been deployed in numerous conflicts, proving its effectiveness in real-world situations. One notable example is the Gulf War, where Patriot batteries were deployed to protect against Iraqi Scud missile attacks. The Patriot's performance during this conflict demonstrated its ability to defend against ballistic missiles. The Patriot has also been used in more recent conflicts, protecting military bases and civilian populations from missile attacks. Its deployment in various hotspots around the world highlights its importance in modern warfare. The Patriot's success in real-world situations has solidified its reputation as a reliable and effective missile defense system. Section 7. From Cold War origins to modern marvel. The development of the Patriot missile system can be traced back to the Cold War. During this period of geopolitical tension, the United States sought to develop a mobile air defense system capable of countering the threat of Soviet aircraft and missiles. The Patriot system was initially conceived as an anti-aircraft weapon, but its capabilities were soon expanded to include missile defense. Over the years, the Patriot system has undergone numerous upgrades and improvements, incorporating new technologies and capabilities. These upgrades have enhanced its range, accuracy, and ability to engage a wider range of threats. This constant evolution ensures that the Patriot remains a relevant and effective defense system in the face of evolving threats. Section 8. The future of defense evolving with the threat. As technology advances, so do the threats faced by nations around the world. Missiles are becoming faster, more maneuverable, and harder to detect. The Patriot system is constantly being upgraded to meet these challenges. Future versions of the Patriot are expected to incorporate even more advanced technologies, such as directed energy weapons and hypersonic interceptors. These advancements will ensure that the Patriot remains at the forefront of missile defense technology. The development of new sensors, algorithms, and interceptor technologies will be crucial in maintaining the Patriot's edge in a rapidly evolving threat environment. The future of missile defense will likely involve a networked approach, with multiple systems working together to provide a layered defense. Section 9. Conclusion. A guardian in an uncertain world. In a world where missile threats are a reality, the Patriot missile defense system stands as a critical line of defense. Its ability to detect, track, and intercept enemy missiles provides nations with a vital layer of protection. More than just a weapon system, the Patriot represents a commitment to safeguarding lives and preserving peace. As technology continues to advance, the Patriot will undoubtedly continue to evolve, ensuring that it remains an effective guardian against the threats of tomorrow. Its legacy, as a shield against aggression, will continue to be written in the skies, a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of a safer world.